Welcome to my channel. So continue the different type of the peoples involving in the in that software industries for the implementing the every applications. So that is means so we are discussing the who those have designation based implementing of the client application. Already we were discussed in previous video. So that video so in this video that video based we will continue in this video. So next so ఇక్కడ నేను ఆల్రెడీ మీకు చెప్పాను నేను what is the here what is the role of the first of all the product manager he's taken some requirements, okay, from the based on the clients. So after that he is made some. So the product requirement doc, that doc based the designer should be the implemented the front view elevation of the each and every part of the page web page. So that is the duty of this designer. So next after that the what is the role of this program manager. The program manager taken which is the product manager given the doc and also the designer give this design that both based he has implemented who the product manager implemented the some type of the planning for this project okay. So based upon the client project. Okay, next the product manager the his roles and responsibilities what he is doing after he is taken he have the taken some project plan. So which is the front and back end and how many developers he required for this project and how which type of how much type of the people's means which type of the technology uh, asking from the client. So that client based that developer available or not. So if they are available, so how much he has experience of that developer. First of all, this type of the things, everything secured by this the program manager is the duty of this type of the roles. So first of all, the project planning like this way he will make uh, from the based upon the designer and a project manager like a requirement a doc based. So next let's go for uh, ఇక్కడ మనకి ప్రాజెక్ట్ మేనేజర్ ప్రొడక్ట్ మేనేజర్ ఏదైతే ఇచ్చాడో దట్ ఆ డాక్ బేస్డ్ గా డిజైనర్ మనకి ఫ్రంట్ వ్యూ పేజ్ మనకి ఎలా ఉంటుందో ఆల్రెడీ మీకు ఇక్కడ చూడండి. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి ప్రొడక్ట్ మేనేజర్ సమ్ డాక్ ఇచ్చాడు. ఆ డాక్ బేస్ చేసుకుని డిజైనర్ మనకు ఒక పేజీ ఎలివేషన్ చేశాడు. సపోజ్ హియర్ ఇక్కడ చూడండి అమెజాన్ ఇదంతా ఒక పేజ్ అన్నమాట. సో ఈ పేజ్ అంతా ఎవరు డెవలప్ మనకి ఎవరు ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేస్తారంటే ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ప్రొడక్ట్ మేనేజర్ ఏదైతే మనకి డాక్ ఇచ్చాడో ఆ డాక్ బేస్ చేసుకుని డిజైనర్ మనకి ఇలా మనకి యూఎక్స్ డిజైనర్ ఇలా మనకి డిజైన్ చేసేసి ఎవరికి ఇస్తాడు ప్రోగ్రామ్ మేనేజర్కి ఇస్తాడు. ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ మేనేజర్ సోపియా కెన్ డూ వాట్ హీ హెస్ రోల్స్ ఆల్రెడీ ఐ టోల్. ఏం చేస్తుంది సోపియా? సో ఈ ప్రాజెక్ట్ కి బ్యాక్ అండ్ ఫ్రంట్ అండ్ రిక్వైర్డ్ డెవలపర్స్ ఎంతమంది ఎంతమంది ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్డ్ పర్సన్స్ ఎంతమంది తీసుకోవాలి, టెస్టింగ్ పర్సన్స్ ఎంతమంది తీసుకోవాలి, అలా మనకి ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ మేనేజర్ అనేది రోల్స్ అండ్ రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ వాళ్ళ డ్యూటీ వాళ్ళు ఇలా చేస్తారన్నమాట సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఫీల్డ్. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ మేనేజర్ తర్వాత డెవలపర్ నెక్స్ట్ ఎవరు వస్తారు? డెవలపర్ ఏం చేస్తాడు? ప్రోగ్రామ్ మేనేజర్ నుంచి వచ్చిన ఆ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ప్రకారం డెవలపర్ ఏం చేస్తాడు? ఈ కెన్ అసైన్ who assign program manager can assign to this developer. The developer, so each developer from back-end developer and front-end developer, he is doing, the both are doing the implementing their tasks through based upon the program manager. So tasks based, what the program manager provide us, that task based that each and from back-end and front-end developers, every day task they will implement it. So that is the duties of the developers. So that developers means he is already the developers, how they will implement. So already manki already the UI UX designer design like this way header bar and slide bars and pop-up bars. So like this type of the slides they were provided from the UI UX designer. So after that, developer duties, the real-time applications uh, implemented through his script, the developer script. ఏం చేస్తారంటే యూఐ యూఎక్స్ డిజైన్ ఎవరైతే డిజైన్ చేస్తారో, మనకి ఫ్రంట్ వ్యూ, మనం ఇది నేను ఈ అమెజాన్ అప్లికేషన్ వెబ్ పేజ్ ఏదైతే చూస్తున్నానో, ఈ అప్లికేషన్ ని కోడ్ ద్వారా డెవలపర్స్ అనే వాళ్ళు, బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ వాళ్ళు, ఫ్రంట్ ఎండ్ వాళ్ళు డెవలప్ చేస్తారు. డెవలప్ చేస్తేనే ఫ్రంట్ ఎండ్ డెవలప్ చేస్తే సరిపోదు, బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ కూడా సమ్ ఏపీఐ వాళ్ళు ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేస్తేనే ఆ కోడ్ బేస్ చేసుకుని ఫ్రంట్ ఎండ్ ఎలివేషన్స్ మనకి ఇలా మనకి ప్రతి అప్లికేషన్ డిజైన్ అనేది మనం చూడగలుగుతాం. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద డ్యూటీ ఆఫ్ ది డెవలపర్స్. సో నెక్స్ట్ go for the next so here the developers, the program manager every day um, task tracker checking, and developer do the features launched code, and the next the tester there will the different type of the testers, manual testers and quality assurance testers, and they are taken the say the program manager what they will provide, that the developers after implemented their script. So that applications the tested by these QA testers and um, so manual testers. So they will implement they what their role, main things, any after the code write by the developers, any the bugs will thrown or not, let checking, that is the duty of the QA tester. The quality assurance tester, they can do manually do testing, and also after the test testing complete, they will give the summarizing tables. So so application is not working, some you can fix that bug, like that where report give the through that excel, that is the duty of this tester. Okay, have a tester. So next duty of the DevOps. So DevOps Oliver here, DevOps designation, the Oliver the designation name. So this left side part is the designation, right side is the designations, who those working their names. Okay, so DevOps, the designation Oliver what they are, what he has responsible and roles and responsibility. So he is after the testing and after the implement the code. So he was deployed in live. This the code. So until what I have done, the code will deploy live. So after analyze, so analysis, so our DevOps implemented the analyst, they will give the feedback. So after that, the tech supports means any in future any bugs, any they are related to the application bugs came, like that they will provide the some security level. So automation tester means automatically the like a quality tester, assurance, manual tester, how to he has done roles, like that way. The automation testers also do same roles and responsibilities, but it is quickly give the results for the testing of the every application. So most of all the automation testers use it, but most must and should manual testers also so must need for the tester. So that is the duties of the involving the people's work in software sector. So to implement the every application of in different kind of the software industries. Okay, so that is the topic. So I will promoting the affiliated market basing. So the new topic today. So welcome to the marketing side. So I am promoting to the Amazon. So let's shop now. So I am giving the link in this under in this under the video. So you can, if you want to shop mobile iPhone like that way anything, so you can open through this link, and after that per charge it is a benefit for us and you. So first of all, thank you for the who those until watching my videos. So everyone, I will explain this Amazon. So if you want to the what is the affiliated marketing? Do you know affiliated marketing? Affiliated marketing means I was make some account in this Amazon. So after sign up, so I got like this website. So after that, so I need to the promote this website product. Some I need to some this mobile I need to promote. This mobile is best for the to I am promoting to it is the best for the mobile. So you can purchase this mobile like that way. I am promoting you. So if you want to promote, you can also follow this site, the Amazon Associates. You can after login, you can get this store ID, and using after the sign up, you can fill fill the all the account settings, and also they will provide some link. So that link we can get here. So how they will get how they will get here. So here the after submission, the which is after submission means after you are sign up in Amazon Associates, you can come the normal Amazon website. So your details already came here. So after that you can click on this text. So here the showing some ID, your store ID based. They will provide the link after the when you will click the get link. So this is the like that way after you can promote this link in your social media and YouTube channel, whatever you can promote. They will provide the 10 to 15 percentage money. They will paid you. So that's why you can promote like this way, whatever you want. So here, so let's see here. This is my channel. How was I was promoting that link? Let's see here. Here under this video, I was promoting that link here. This is the latest iPhone purchase here. So the those peoples who don't want to anyone purchase the mobile app when they will open this link. After I am opening this link. Okay, you can right click and go to after search you will get results same.